Hey everyone, it's Darla from Kae Jax Homestead. Real brief video this week. I can't even make it longer even if I wanted to. This week we're going to talk about homemade pure vanilla extract. Wow, is it ever amazing. I'm going to go ahead and give it a smell. I wish you guys were here that you could smell that. That smells delish. Vanilla extract, I made it in the bigger version because I will be sharing this as Christmas gifts, and you guys can do that too. I mean, a lot of families and even myself love to get homemade gifts like that. So great ideas for Christmas. You've got lots of time to make your vanilla extract or any other kind of extract for that matter, and pure goodness. Typically, I used to buy the smaller version of the vanilla extract, and I always went artificial. I never bought pure. So only in the last probably couple years, I started buying the pure. The pure, unfortunately, is much more expensive, and in Canada, that's going to run you anywhere from $10 to $20, probably for that size. Excuse me, depending on the name brand that you're purchasing. So very expensive, but definitely a way better quality. So I decided this year that I was gonna try it. And did you know that it only takes 2 ingredients, and it is the simplest thing I've ever made. So crazy that I haven't tried this before. So basically what you're gonna do, buy a bottle of vodka or a cup of vodka, even if you have a cup. If you do a cup, you're going to use about 7 to 8 vanilla beans, and you're just going to slice down through the center. You're going to scrape out all of the black paste that's on the inside, and you're going to put it in a container, and you're going to make it airtight. Put it in a dark area and leave it. Walk away. So 8 weeks later, a smaller version like that, you're probably going to have a quicker turnaround. I want mine to be very potent and very lots of taste. So I went a liter with about 28, I believe, vanilla beans, and the cheapest place I could get them was off of Amazon, and I got the Madagascar ones. Basically, split them down the middle, do the exact same process, put the bean and the paste on the inside. I just used the actual bottle, and look at that. I mean, that was started June 20th, and we are now almost September 1st. So yeah, nice, good, dark, I wouldn't even call that golden, a nice dark color. And it's been setting in, and usually if I'm going in my pantry to cook, I'll just go ahead and give it a good shake and just keep it going every now and again. Go in and give it a shake, and yeah, so I'm excited to give this out at Christmas. If you hear from my girls or talk to my girls, make sure that you don't tell them. Yeah, I think that's primarily it. I will say that you know, it's kind of a little funny that it's taken me this long to make the vanilla extract, just because it was so easy and it was 2 ingredients. I can't believe I've waited so long. I've made a lot more difficult things than that. But yeah, I'll be delving into other extracts. So my friend Julie has made some coconut extract, and oh my gosh, there's tons, and we'll be bringing it to this channel so you guys can, and I encourage you guys to share your extracts, maybe that you've made, or what has and hasn't worked for you, through the comments below. I will include the recipe that I used in the description, so you'll have that for later. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you guys try it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a great week, and I'll be checking in soon.